locus, right? So if we bisect a line segment, right? If we bisect a line segment, then say this is a line segment, AB, this is B, right? How you do this? Line segment का bisector करने के लिए you put your compass here, take a arc like it is here and it is here. When you put from here, then you get here and you get here, right? Now when you join this line, this is what? This is PQ. Say this is PQ. So PQ is perpendicular bisector of AB, right? PQ is perpendicular bisector of AB, and all the points lying on PQ have equal distance from point A and B. Say there is a point, this is point R, so AR is equal to BR, right? If I say this is B, so AR is equal to BR. If you take S, here S, so AS is equal to BS. They are equal to this, and any point, you take any point, their distance from these 2 points remains same because it is on perpendicular bisector of AB. Okay, so this is the locus. On the all the points of PQRS are locus of line segment AB, right? This is for line. If we bisect a line segment, then another thing is, should I rub? Another thing is, when you have an angle, you have an angle. This is a line, say A, this is B, this is BC, right? You have taken angle bisector. You take a arc from here, then you put compass here, and you put a arc here, you put compass here, you put a arc here, and this is a line angle bisector. This is angle bisector, right? So angle bisector, this is PB. So PB is PB is angle bisector of angle ABC. And all the points on angle bisector BPB have equal distance from AB and BC. Right? You just look here. Suppose there is a point P. There is point Q. So you draw a line from here, a perpendicular from here, and you draw a perpendicular from here. Right? They are now 90 degree and their distance remains same. I said all the points on the angle bisector PB have equal distance from AB and BC. So AB and BC say they will be equal, right? Similarly, if you take a point here, it is say R, so you have equal distance. This is of 90 degree and this will be of 90 degree. So they will also equal to this. You get it? This is angle bisectors. Point on angle bisector. Point on angle bisector have equal distance from sides of angle. Point on angle bisector have equal distance from the side of angle. This is the angle and this is the sides, right? And line bisector and points on line bisector have equal distance from vertex of line segment. You get it? Line segment. Vertex of line segment. What I said, point on angle bisector have equal distance from the side of angles, and points on line bisector have equal distance from vertex of line segment. This is the line segment. If this is the line segment, right? So I should write this R with this color because they are matching. So this is the line by this is BC. If I draw a line, so we have taken same thing. We have angle bisector like this, and I take like this. When you join this, right? This is what? This is line bisector. So all the points have equal distance from the vertex B and C, and this is angle bisector, which is having equal distance. All the points on this have equal distance from AB. So there is a point. This we can say this. We have taken PQRS. This is S, which is line bisector also. ठीक है, मतलब it is having equal distance from these point BC and equal distance from the line sides AB and BC. You get this? This is only locus you have. All type of questions will be this one. You have to draw, you have to get, and then you can find. ये general concept है कि they will be equal, right? If we talk about proving of this, so its proving is quite easy. How you can get that? Should I rub? You noted down? I hope you are. I've seen your notes on that day which you sent me through SMS. What I am writing on the board, you are writing very less of that. I am already writing very less, and you are writing more less than what I am writing. Anyway, अभी I am going to rub this. ठीक है? Right? These 2 points you just make a note. ये मैंने सब एक मिक्स कर दिया. ये दो these 2 points. Point on angle bisector have equal distance from the sides of angle, and point on line bisector have equal distance from the vertex of line segment. These 2 points are you have to keep in mind. If I said you concentrate, won't write, then whatever video I am sending you, you should go through with it at your place. And if I forget to send you, you ask me to censor for this day's video. Right? No doubt there may be chances someday I told you that won't write, you just concentrate here. That happens. So for that day's video, you can ask me, if I forget, so you can ask me, send me the video of this day. So that should I run? Okay. I said first all the points on side bisector have equal distance from vertex of line segment, right? This I told you. Okay. So if we have a line segment like this is a line segment AB, right? We have taken line bisector is like this, like this. When you put compass from here, then it is like this, and it is like this, right? So when you draw the line like this, this line is, this is PQ intersecting at O. So PQ is perpendicular bisector of line AB, right? There is a point, say this is P, right? So it is perpendicular bisector, na? So it means they are equal, right? This angle is of 90 degree. If you join the line PA and PB, so in triangle AO, we can write POA and triangle POB. AB is equal to O. OA is equal to OB by construction. And angle AOP is equal to angle BOP is 90 degree, and OP is equal to OP. So by SAS congruency, triangle POA is congruent to triangle POB. Hence, therefore, PA is equal to PB by CP/CT, right? If you take a point here, say this is S. So if we take a line from here, S, like this, so we can say similarly in triangle SOA and SOB, right? Same process by SAS congruency, triangle SOA is congruent to triangle SOB, and AS is equal to BS by it is BS by CP/CT. So point is that any point on the bisector of line AB has equal distance from its vertex. So this is loci of the line segment AB. You get that? This is, we have First, and should I rub?
Yes.
Second we have second we have points on angle bisector of a angle have equal distance from sides of angle. Right? So you have, suppose we have an angle like this. This is an angle. This is A. Oh. This is A. This is B. And this is C. Right? You have drawn a bisector. You take a arc like this. From here you have taken like this. From here you have taken like this. So this is, you get, this is angle bisector. Right? This is angle bisector. So this is we called P. So PB is angle bisector of angle ABC. Right? You draw a perpendicular. There is a point Q. You draw a perpendicular from here like this. This is perpendicular, right? And this is a perpendicular. So this is also by construction. This is M, this is N. So QM is perpendicular on AB and QN is perpendicular on BC. Right? They are of 90 degree and these two angles are equal because PB is angle bisector of angle ABC. It means what? You can say that angle QBM is equal to angle QBN. These two angles are equal. These angles are of 90 degree. Right? So in triangle QBM and triangle QBN, angle QBM is equal to angle QBN, right? And angle M is equal to angle N is of 90 degree and BQ is equal to BQ. is common. So by AAS, angle and a non-including side, by AAS criteria of congruency triangle QBM is congruent to triangle QBN and QM is equal to QH by CPC. I hope you get this. This is how we can prove what I said.